County District Attorney has 10 days to decide if his office will seek the death penalty for Harris.
No one has been executed in Kansas in 60 years. KMBC9's Eric Graves is here after speaking with a defense attorney about the process of reaching a death penalty sentence. Eric.
To secure the death penalty, the state would need to prove to a jury the murder was intentional and premeditated. At the same time, the chance Harris would actually be executed if convicted is very uncertain. Sean Harris faces a capital murder charge in connection with the shooting that killed Wyandotte County Deputy Elijah Ming. Within 10 days, Harris will also find out if the Wyandotte County Prosecutor's Office will pursue the death penalty.
There are certain things you can do in our community that if you do them, you forfeit your right to live among us. And that is what our death penalty is for.
Defense attorney Michael Duma is not affiliated with the case, but used to be a prosecuting attorney in Wyandotte County. He says one reason to pursue the death penalty is what it says to the community.
You need to send a message that if you're going to come to Wyandotte County and kill one of our officers, you're going to face the death penalty.
Duma says prosecuting a death penalty is a much more difficult conviction than life in prison and can cost millions of dollars. At the same time, under the current Kansas death penalty law set in 1994, the state has never executed someone. Duma says when people have been sentenced to death, appeals head to the Supreme Court, which often ends up with cases modified to life in prison.
The fact that our Supreme Court scrutinizes these cases so carefully that when they find an error, it's amplified.
The chance that the death penalty would actually be carried out is something Duma says prosecutors could consider.
I think they have to weigh whether or not the justice they're seeking will ultimately be achieved.
The Wyandotte County prosecutor says he's also going to consider what Deputy Ming's family thinks about the death penalty.
And of course, moving forward, the death penalty in a lot of cases can be sort of used as a bargaining chip as the case proceeds forward.
What the defense attorney Duma told me is that that's often how it goes. They can strike a deal that, for example, the death penalty is taken off if the defendant agrees to plead guilty in the case, and that's often how these are resolved.
We'll certainly be watching. Eric, thanks.